There are many different types of filler on the market, and within different filler ranges, there are different thicknesses, different elasticities. So it's really important that your injector has the skill to decide where to put the right filler in the right place for the right person. Filler can be thick and what we call bone mimicking. So that's perfect for areas like the jawline, the chin, the nose, and even the cheeks. In other areas that are more dynamically moving, so say the folds here, even a little bit more superficially or closer to the surface in the cheeks, or even around the little smile lines here around the eyes, you may want a thinner filler. The wrong filler put in the wrong place can look awful. So it's really important that your injector knows exactly what they're doing. It's also important that you know what filler is being put in. So it's good to ask your injector, what filler, what brand, what range, why is that going there? At Contour Clinics, we offer all the fillers that are TGA approved in Australia. We find that some fillers are better for certain areas, and we like to have the whole range to make sure that you get the product that's right for you, not just the product that we have.